Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your photos with particle style effect on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut apps and then click a new project. And then in here you can add two photos and then add the photos that you want to edit. This one. And then after this, in here you just click on the picture or your photo, and after this, in here you just click on the style. Okay, and in here you can see the particle effect, so you can choose the particle effect that you want. This is the particle effect one. Can waiting like this is the particle effect one. Okay, and then this is the particle effect 2. You can choose the particle effect that you want. Okay, this is the particle effect 2. Okay, and after this, in here you can click on the check icon at the bottom and finish. So that's how to add particle style effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.